Are you struggling to maintain your energy levels on a vegan diet? The secret might be in your iron intake. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin and myoglobin, which carry oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, you might experience fatigue and even anemia. But don't worry, there are plenty of vegan sources of iron to keep you healthy and energized. Legumes and beans are a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are not only rich in iron but also packed with vitamins and minerals. A cup of cooked lentils provides about 3.3 milligrams of iron. Chickpeas offer an impressive 4.7 milligrams of iron per cup. Pairing legumes with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers can enhance iron absorption. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are also excellent sources of iron. Spinach contains approximately 3.6 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. Kale offers around 1.5 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. Steaming or sautéing these greens can reduce anti-nutritional factors and improve iron absorption. Whole grains are another fantastic source of iron for vegans. Quinoa, brown rice, and oats are not only nutritious but also contribute to your daily iron intake. Quinoa is a superfood that provides all essential amino acids and a good amount of iron. Nuts and seeds, like pumpkin seeds and cashews, are small but mighty sources of iron. Pumpkin seeds contain 8.8 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. Cashews provide 6.7 milligrams of iron per 100 grams and are also rich in copper and magnesium. Dried fruits, such as apricots and raisins, are convenient snacks that boost your iron intake. These fruits are not only rich in iron but also contain vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. Pairing dried fruits with vitamin C-rich foods can further enhance iron absorption. If food sources aren't enough, vegan iron supplements can help maintain optimal iron levels. Ferrous sulfate is a common and effective iron supplement, though it may cause gastrointestinal issues. Ferrous fumarate is another option, known for its good absorption rates and fewer side effects. Ferrous gluconate is gentler on the stomach, making it suitable for those with sensitive digestive systems. Plant-based iron supplements, like those containing spirulina and chlorella, are clean and effective. Choosing the right iron supplement involves considering the type, dosage, and additional nutrients. Vitamin C and folic acid can enhance iron absorption when taken together. Quality and purity are crucial, so look for certified kosher, non-GMO, and gluten-free options. Prevent iron deficiency by incorporating iron-rich foods into your diet and pairing them with vitamin C. Empower your health with iron-rich choices and keep your energy levels high.